and welcome to How to Draw a Koala. First we want to start with a little line here. And then we're going to draw the mouth. Today he's a little bit sad, so we'll draw two lines here and here. Looks a bit grumpy, doesn't he? Then the nose. Now a koala has a square nose, so draw it like this. Either side of that nose is a pair of eyes. Now the size of the face. We want it to come up about the same distance of the nose, that distance, and up a little bit further, so about here. Put a dot here. And it's going to come round to below the mouth. Down to the left a little bit, and down to the right a little bit. So here we go, we're going to try and draw a nice big curve encompassing all those. Try and make it nice and even. Okay, that's looking good. So, next we're going to draw his ears. Now his ears are a little bit square. So come from the middle of the nose, out through the eyes, then out here and draw a dot. That's going to be the middle of the ears. Middle of the nose to the eyes and out here about the same distance, draw another dot. So the ears are going to be a little bit square. So here we bring them out, bring them down to the dot about the same distance and in again. Here we do the same. We want it to be about the same size as here. So here we go, we bring it out, bring it down, bring it in again. That's two ears. Okay. Now we're going to do his body. Now he's got an arm that starts one side of the neck here, another arm that starts one side of the neck here. First we're going to draw his belly. So to take the nose distance and this distance, we're going to do about the same distances from the mouth to the neck. About here, so we draw a nice curve for his belly. Then, from a point under his mouth to the right a little bit, about from here, we draw one arm. It's going to go about the same distance as his belly. So draw down and up. And we want a matching arm over here, so it's going to be about the same distance down. So here we go, down and up. That's looking good. Now we follow around the belly a little bit, and now we've got two little feet. So 1 foot and 2 foot. And we'll complete the bottom of the leg and the bottom of the leg. There you go. That's the start of my koala. Now we're going to use some pencils. These are my favorite pencils, Prismacolor. They give you really nice colors. So it's a koala, so I'm going to be using grey today, so I'll use my black pen, my black pencil. There you go. So I'm going to draw really lightly to start with. So he's going to have a white thing under his mouth. And then he's going to have white tips on the end of his ears. White tips on the end of his ears. White hands. And white ends of the feet. Okay, so now we want to do some really nice shading. Actually, I'm going to colour in his nose black. So it's the same colour as his eyes. color the nose in black. That's good. Now I'm going to hold the pencil like this to really, and just do really nice even shading all over. It's got I just want to get it all over his body. Here you go. Keep on shading. I'm just trying to keep it nice and even at the moment. Nice even color everywhere. That's looking good. Now I'm going to change colors to, I think this brown looks good. I'm going to use the white in a second and the brown. Okay. So I'm going to use the tip of the pencil this time. I'm going to again do the same. I just want to keep everything nice and even. We're going to go over everything with white in a second. And that'll really bring out the grey colour. You can make it whatever colour you want. I'm just concentrating, keeping it nice and even. Looks better. Now we're going to use this white colour. That should really bring out the grey. So again, I'll just have it nice and even. There you can see the grey is really popping out now. Slowly rotate the pencil a little bit. This is a nice way to hold the pencil to get it nice and even. Oops. Be careful not to go over your black too much. Okay, and then I'm going to use the tip of the pencil, get some really nice grey colours. So this brand of colour, Prismacolor, is a great way to get strong pencil colours. Use the eraser on the nose a little bit. Get the black back again. Okay. I'll work the white in. And there we have it soon. It's my koala bear. Might go for the black on top. Make sure it's not being obstructed by the pencil at all. And there we have it. One koala bear.